Hi guys, today and I'm filming a video because I wanted to share a gingerbread house, and we got the gingerbread house from Kohl's. And I remember I did a video like this one last year, and this is the same one. So yeah, it's the wrong way, and we have house pieces, we have icing, we have characters, we have jelly hearts, jelly trees, and we have a build tray, and we have mini beads and pucker-ups. And I also have these extra lollies from this girl's birthday party named Sia, and she's my friend and she's from school too. And also we're gonna start building this, and I'm using last year I did it with my mom, so I'm doing this without my mom, and then I'm also gonna ask my mom for help. And right now she's cooking, so let's just open it. And you need to be super careful. Oh my goodness. So hard. Open it. When I'm managing to open it, I'm not going to say I opened it. So we're going to start so gently. So here's the jelly trees. Here's the jelly hearts. Here is, oh my goodness, I need to be very careful. Here's the build tray that maybe I need. Here's the icing. Oh my goodness, smells so good. Here's the beads, the mini beads. And here's the pepper-ups. And also, we have the house pieces. So I need to be very careful. And there's also a Christmas tree and a gingerbread man that you can't see. Over here. Oh, everyone is so careful. And there's a bunch of ladies. On my birthday party, like earlier, I talked about this. Now we're going to start building, and I hope I be gentle with this. Now we're going to start. We're going to move the tray out of the way. And we're going to open this. I also need icing, so I'm going to ask my mom to help me. Mom, can you help me? Can you help me open these? Oh, we got this rooftop, and here, let me show you. We got the front house, and we got the back one. And there's a Christmas tree, and we also have this gingerbread man, and we also have a snowman. And we have the windows too, and the same window. And we also got the rooftops. Oh my goodness. I need to be so careful with these. We got the rooftop, another rooftop. Now we're gonna start with the house. We got this tree. I'm going to start with this piece. I'm so nervous about it. And this is just supposed to be here. And oh my goodness. No. Okay. So we're just going to instruction it first before we actually ice it. I'm gonna put it here. Work now. Work. Work. Hey, Mom, do you mind if you help me with the icing, actually? Okay, now put it in the bowl. And this is going to be an embarrassing thing. You have to keep it like, oh my goodness. And then, I'm so stuck right now. Yeah. Oh, Mom, you're scaring me. Oh. Well, we have to eat. That's good. Maybe I have to fix this frosting, but this frosting can like spread out, please. Frosting. Now this piece, so that this can stick together. Yeah. Oh, that's so bad. All the YouTubers have comments, so please stay with me. It's fine if you don't like subscribe, but the only thing I want you to do is comment in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. No, I do it in trace. Stuck. There. This frosting keeps going on me. Oh, I need to do this piece again. No, I'm scared. I'm scared this whole thing is like gonna fall down. And then I'm gonna hold it. I'm holding it here. What? Oh my goodness, no. This is literally broken right now. Need to fix it. Stick it on. Stick it on. Oh, maybe I should do. Oh my goodness, it's gonna fall off. Well, if I'm done, and then just like flip right. This will actually be so. It's like going up. I'm scared if I did it wrong or right. Hey Mom, I did it. Okay. Now we're gonna do the second piece. I have to turn this so slowly to not break it. Oh, this looks a mess inside. Oh my goodness. It's so messy.
Yeah.
Just wait.
Okay, just put that first.
Put it first. Make sure this doesn't fall off and then just put it on the top. And then my mom's gonna come and help me after I eat my lunch. Okay, bye guys. I'll see you later. Hi guys, and I'm back. And so we can keep going with this because this is like getting dry now. And it's not even that sticky anymore. Whoa. The taste is good still. But I still need to put my frosting on. If I have no more, oh, that might be a problem. Oh. This is dry frosting. It cannot be. We can decorate. Guys, if you want to see it, that's for now, but later you'll see it so cool. So I'm going to face it this way. I can't wait to do the snowman and gingerbread. Right now it looks like that. But later, this will have to look so beautiful. My mom's showing it, and now we're back to the playing side, but on the other side, it's so colorful. I have to be super careful because I can't waste any frosting. You know, the ones I keep and keep seeing. Well, those ones are the leftover frosting, and if I waste them, me and my mom are gonna have a problem situation.
You want to put the frosting instead? You just so that it's
Yes.
just
Yes, you may put the frosting. Okay, guys. We're gonna start these decorations, then mini beads, and then keep going. So it was decorating. I'll show you when I'm done, guys. Make sure this doesn't fall off, because this looks bad right now. One more thing we forgot to do. This. Oh, maybe I know how to do it. It goes like this. Okay, this gingerbread looks so destroyed.
extra frosting just to make it blue.
Blue? Okay, that's extra.
Frosting. Chocolate.
Okay, guys, so you see, this is actually chocolate frosting. And I'm smelling it. I have to put the eyes, and I'm so scared to put the eyes right now. I'm trying to make the best gingerbread as I can, but this is the bad one ever made in my life. So I'm decorating this. 1, 2. Oh, this one's not sticked, so I have to add more. I need more. Just going to Christmas tree for now. And then okay. Need add. Guys, you can't see my face right now because you're gonna look at the gingerbread house. Yeah, my mom got a mini spoon. It's like ice cream. In my hand. Okay. I nearly ran out of these chocolate stuff. Okay. Wait. I don't have that much left. I only have 2 left actually. So, actually. Stop falling off. Now it's time to add this one. I have to put some chocolate here because this is chocolate snow. We're adding chocolate snow. And then my gingerbread. I'm gonna have to add a little purple. Okay.
What happened to your frosting?
My frosting.
Yeah.
My frosting's too messy. You made me messy.
Because you use all your white frosting, that's why.
Yes. We're gonna save this for later, and later, me, mom, and dad are gonna eat it. But maybe dad will not like it. This would be so good because it's like falling candy, and then we can have these everywhere. Okay, guys. So, how do you like the house, and is it cool? Comment down below your favorite part. You can comment down below everything, or this, or this, or this, or the rooftop, or the back, or the front, and the jelly hearts, anything. And I'll see you guys now. Well, this was the best second day. And last time it was like so messy. Yeah. And now this just looks like ice cream. Yeah, so good. So bye guys. I hope you'll have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, turn the notifications on. Bye guys.